Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make creative backgrounds in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add more color, depth, and personality to your designs, this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end, you'll know how to build eye-catching backgrounds that instantly elevate any project. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your browser or app. Once you're on the homepage, click on Create a Design, then select the size or format you want. Maybe a social media post, flyer, or presentation slide. After that, head over to the Elements tab located on the left panel. This is where the magic begins. You'll find everything from shapes and gradients to textures and abstract designs. In the search bar, under Elements, type Colorful Background or Abstract Texture. You'll see hundreds of vibrant and unique options appear. Take a few moments to browse through the results. Look for something that fits your overall theme or message. The background sets the mood for your design, so choose one that truly complements your style. Once you find a background you like, click on it and drag it onto your canvas. It will automatically adjust to fill the space, but you can always resize or reposition it by dragging the corners or using the alignment tools. If you want to make the background more creative, try layering elements. For example, you can add gradients, transparent shapes, or photo overlays to give your design more texture and visual interest. For a softer, modern look, adjust the transparency of certain layers. Simply select the element, click on the transparency icon, and lower the opacity to blend colors seamlessly. You can also experiment with Canva's filters and adjustments. Tweak the brightness, contrast, or saturation until your background feels just right. When you're happy with your creation, it's time to bring everything together. Add your text, icons, or main visuals on top of the background, making sure they stand out clearly. Play with contrast. Light text works best on dark backgrounds and vice versa. And that's it. You've just created a stunning and unique background in Canva that's perfect for any project. The best part? You can reuse and customize these designs endlessly for social media, posters, or digital content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to get creative and have fun exploring Canva's endless possibilities. Happy designing!